Excuse me, sorry to bother you. Are you from around here?
Yes, I live nearby. How can I help you?
That's great. I'm new to this city and I'm feeling a bit lost. I'm trying to reach the central bus station, but I'm not sure which way to go.
No problem at all. The central bus station is not very far from here. Are you walking or do you plan to take a bus or a taxi?
I prefer to walk if it's not too far. I like to see the city while walking.
That's a good idea. Walking is nice in this area. It will take you about 15 minutes on foot.
Oh, that's perfect. Could you please tell me the way step by step? I don't want to get confused again.
Of course. First, you need to walk straight on this road for about 5 minutes.
Okay, straight on this road for 5 minutes.
Yes, you will see a large bookstore on your left side. It's a big building with glass windows.
A bookstore on the left.
Got it. When you reach the bookstore, take the first right turn after it.
So I pass the bookstore and then turn right. Is that correct?
Exactly. After you turn right, you'll see a small park in front of you.
A small park. That sounds easy to remember.
Good. Walk past the park and you'll reach a traffic signal.
Should I cross the road at the signal?
Yes, cross the road at the traffic signal. Please wait for the green light because the traffic can be busy there.
Thanks for the warning. I'll be careful.
After crossing the road, continue straight for another 3 to 4 minutes.
All right. What should I look for after that?
You'll see a tall building with a clock on top. That building is right next to the bus station.
A building with a clock. That should be easy to spot.
Yes, it's quite famous here. Once you see the clock tower, the bus station entrance will be just beside it.
That sounds very clear. Thank you so much for explaining everything slowly.
You're welcome. Is this your first time in this city?
Yes, it is. I arrived this morning by train.
Oh, welcome to the city. Are you here for work or for travel?
I'm here for a short trip. I plan to explore the city for 3 days.
That's nice. This city has many good places to visit.
I hope so. Honestly, I was a bit nervous because I don't know anyone here.
That's normal. Every new place feels confusing at first.
Yes, especially when you don't know the roads.
True. But don't worry. People here are generally helpful.
I can see that already. You've been very kind.
I'm happy to help. By the way, do you need directions to any other place?
Actually, yes. If I reach the bus station, is there a cafe nearby?
Yes, there is a small cafe right across the bus station.
That's great. I really need a cup of coffee.
You'll like it. They serve good coffee and sandwiches.
Perfect. After walking for a while, I'll definitely need some energy.
If you have time, you should also visit the river area in the evening.
Oh, really? Is it far from the bus station?
No, it's just 2 bus stops away.
That sounds convenient.
Yes, and the view is beautiful during sunset.
I'll try to go there today if I can.
You should. Also, if you get confused again, don't hesitate to ask someone.
I will. One more thing. Are the buses easy to understand here?
Yes, most buses have digital boards and announcements in English.
That's a relief.
You can also use your phone map, but sometimes asking a person is faster.
I agree. Talking to people feels more reassuring.
Exactly. Thank you again for your time and patience.
You're very welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay here.
I'm sure I will. Have a great day.
You too.
Safe travels.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Please come in and have a seat. How can I help you today?
Thank you. This is my first visit here, so I'm a little nervous.
That's completely okay. There's no need to worry. Just tell me what's been bothering you.
I've been feeling very tired lately, even after getting enough sleep.
I see. How long have you been feeling this way?
For about 3 weeks now.
All right. Besides feeling tired, do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I sometimes feel dizzy, and I get headaches in the evening.
Do you feel the dizziness every day or only sometimes?
Not every day, but maybe 3 or 4 times a week.
Okay. Do you feel dizzy when you stand up suddenly?
Yes, especially when I get up quickly.
That's helpful to know. How about your appetite? Are you eating well?
Honestly, not very well. I often skip breakfast because I'm in a hurry.
Skipping meals can affect your energy levels.
I thought so, but my schedule has been very busy.
I understand. What about your sleep? How many hours do you sleep at night?
Around 6 to 7 hours.
Do you sleep peacefully or do you wake up often?
I wake up once or twice during the night.
All right. Do you use your phone or laptop before sleeping?
Yes, I usually scroll through my phone before bed.
That can disturb your sleep quality.
I didn't realize that.
Do you drink enough water during the day?
Probably not. I mostly drink coffee.
How many cups of coffee do you drink in a day?
Around 3 or 4 cups?
That's quite a lot. Too much caffeine can cause headaches and dizziness.
I see. I didn't think coffee could be the problem.
It can be, especially if you're not drinking enough water.
That makes sense.
Do you have any medical conditions like low blood pressure, diabetes, or anemia?
Not that I know of.
Are you taking any medicines right now?
No, I'm not taking any regular medication.
All right. I'd like to check your blood pressure and heart rate.
Sure.
Please relax and sit straight.
Okay.
Your blood pressure is slightly on the lower side, but nothing serious.
Is that dangerous?
No, not dangerous, but it can cause dizziness if you're dehydrated or tired.
That explains a lot.
I'd also suggest a simple blood test to check your hemoglobin and vitamin levels.
Do I need to do it today?
You can do it any time this week.
All right, I'll do that.
In the meantime, I want you to make some small changes in your routine.
What kind of changes?
First, don't skip meals. Eat a healthy breakfast every day.
I'll try my best.
Second, drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily.
That's more than I drink now, but I'll try.
Reduce coffee to 1 or 2 cups a day.
That will be hard, but I understand.
Also, try to sleep at the same time every night.
Okay.
Avoid using your phone at least 30 minutes before bed.
I really need to work on that.
Light exercise like walking for 20 minutes a day can also help.
That sounds manageable.
Do you feel stressed these days?
Yes, work has been stressful.
Stress can also cause fatigue and headaches.
I didn't realize stress could affect my body so much.
It affects both the mind and the body.
That's true.
Try simple relaxation techniques like deep breathing.
I'll look into that.
If your symptoms don't improve in 2 weeks, please come back.
I will.
Do you have any other questions?
No, doctor, you explained everything very clearly.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you for listening patiently.
You're welcome. Take care of yourself.
I will. Thank you again.
Have a good day.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to our hotel. How may I help you?
Thank you. I'm looking for a room for tonight.
Certainly. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't. I just arrived in the city and decided to book a room directly.
That's no problem. Let me check the availability for tonight.
Sure.
All right. We do have rooms available. How many nights would you like to stay?
I'm planning to stay for 2 nights.
Okay. Is it just for you, or will someone else be staying with you?
It's just me.
All right. Would you prefer a single room or a double room?
What's the difference between them?
A single room has one bed and is slightly smaller. A double room has a larger bed and more space.
I think a single room will be fine.
Okay. Our single room costs $80 per night, including breakfast.
That sounds reasonable. What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 in the morning.
That works for me.
Would you like a room with a city view or a quieter room facing the garden?
I'd prefer a quiet room. I had a long day of travel.
I understand. I'll arrange a garden-facing room for you.
Thank you. Does the room have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, sir. Free high-speed Wi-Fi is available in all rooms.
Great. I need it for some work.
No problem. We also have a work desk in the room.
That's perfect.
May I please see your ID for the check-in process?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Let me take a moment to enter your details.
Sure.
All right, Mr. Daniel, could you please fill out this registration form?
No problem.
If you have any questions while filling it out, feel free to ask.
Actually, I do have a question. Is late checkout possible?
Late checkout is possible until 1 p.m., but it depends on availability.
Is there an extra charge for that?
Yes, there is a small additional fee.
Okay, I'll decide tomorrow.
That's fine.
Does the hotel have room service?
Yes, we offer room service from 6 in the morning until 11 at night.
That's good to know.
We also have a restaurant on the ground floor.
What kind of food do you serve?
We serve both local and international dishes.
Nice. I might try dinner there tonight.
I'm sure you'll enjoy it.
Is there a gym in the hotel?
Yes, sir. The gym is on the second floor and is open 24 hours.
That's excellent. We also have a small swimming pool.
Sounds great, though I'm not sure I'll have time to use it.
Even a short swim can be relaxing.
That's true. Have you completed the form?
Yes, I have.
Thank you. Let me process your check-in.
All right.
Your room number is 305. Here is your keycard.
Thank you.
The elevators are to your right.
Okay.
If you need anything during your stay, please dial 0 from your room phone.
I will.
Do you need help with your luggage?
No, I can manage. It's not very heavy.
All right.
One more thing. What time is checkout?
Checkout time is 11 a.m.
Okay, that's clear.
Is this your first time visiting our city?
Yes, it is.
If you need suggestions for places to visit, feel free to ask.
That's very kind of you.
You're welcome.
You've been very helpful. Thank you for making the check-in process easy.
It's my pleasure, sir.
I'm looking forward to a comfortable stay.
We hope you enjoy your stay with us.
Thank you. Have a good evening.
You too, sir. Hello.
Hello, welcome to the store. How can I help you today?
I'd like to return this jacket, please.
Sure. May I ask what the problem is?
The size doesn't fit me properly.
I see. Did you try it on at home?
Yes, I did. It feels too tight around the shoulders.
All right. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check the details.
Okay.
You bought this jacket 3 days ago.
Yes, that's right.
Our return policy allows returns within 7 days, so that's fine.
That's good to hear.
Would you like a refund or an exchange?
I'd prefer an exchange if possible.
Sure. Would you like the same jacket in a larger size, or would you like to choose a different one?
I think I'll try a larger size first.
All right. What size are you looking for?
One size larger than this.
Let me check if we have it in stock.
Okay.
Yes, we do have the next size available.
Great.
I'll bring it for you. Would you like to try it on in the fitting room?
Yes, please.
The fitting rooms are just over there on the left.
Thank you.
Here is the jacket in the larger size.
Thanks. I'll try it on now.
Take your time.
All right, I've tried it on.
How does it feel?
It fits better, but the sleeves feel a little long.
I understand. Would you like to try a different style?
Yes, maybe something similar but slightly shorter.
Sure. Follow me, please.
Okay.
This style is quite popular, and it has shorter sleeves.
It looks nice. Can I try this one too?
Of course.
I'll be right back.
No problem.
I like this one much better. It fits perfectly.
That's great. Is the price the same as the first jacket? Let me check. Yes, the price is the same.
That's good.
Would you like to exchange the jacket now?
Yes, please.
All right, I'll process the exchange for you.
Thank you.
I just need your receipt again.
Here you go.
Thanks. The exchange is complete.
That was quick.
We try to make the process easy.
I appreciate that.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Actually, yes. Does this jacket need special care?
It's best to wash it in cold water and avoid using a dryer.
All right, I'll keep that in mind.
The care instructions are also written on the tag.
Okay.
Would you like a bag for the jacket?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Do you shop here often?
Yes, I do. I like the quality of your clothes.
We're happy to hear that.
Your staff is also very helpful.
Thank you. We really appreciate the feedback.
I'll definitely come back again.
We look forward to seeing you again.
Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Hi, Mark. Do you have a moment?
Hi, Linda. Yes, of course. What's going on?
I wanted to talk to you about something, but I hope it's okay.
Sure, no problem. Please tell me.
I didn't want to complain, but there's been a lot of noise late at night recently.
Oh, I'm really sorry to hear that.
I understand that everyone has their own routine, but the noise has been making it hard for me to sleep.
I see. Is it coming from my apartment?
Yes, mostly. I think it's the music and sometimes the loud conversations.
I feel bad about that. I didn't realize it was disturbing you.
I know you probably didn't mean to cause any trouble.
Honestly, I had no idea. Thank you for telling me directly.
I was nervous about bringing it up.
I'm glad you did. It's better to talk openly.
The noise usually happens after 11 at night.
That makes sense. I often invite friends over on weekends.
I understand that you want to enjoy your time with friends.
Still, I should be more careful about the volume.
Thank you for understanding.
Does the noise happen every day or only on weekends?
Mostly on weekends, but sometimes during weekdays too.
All right, I'll make sure to keep the music low, especially after 10.
That would really help.
Would it help if I closed the windows as well?
Yes, that would make a big difference.
I'll do that from now on.
I really appreciate your cooperation.
Of course. We're neighbors. We should respect each other.
Exactly. I didn't want this to turn into a complaint to the building management.
I'm glad you came to me first.
I think talking calmly is always better.
I agree.
There's another small issue if you don't mind.
Go ahead.
Sometimes your guests park their bikes near my door.
Oh, I didn't know that either.
It blocks the entrance a little.
I'm really sorry about that.
I didn't want to sound rude.
Not at all. You're being very polite.
Thank you.
I'll tell my friends to park their bikes in the proper area.
That would be great.
I should have paid more attention to these things.
It's okay. These things happen.
Have there been any other problems?
No, those were the main ones.
Thank you for telling me calmly.
Thank you for listening patiently.
By the way, if I ever cause trouble again, please tell me right away.
I will.
And if I do something that bothers you, I'm always open to feedback.
That's very kind of you.
I really value a peaceful neighborhood.
So do I.
I'll also let you know in advance if I plan a small gathering.
That would be helpful.
That way, you can prepare or let me know if it's not a good time.
Yes, communication makes everything easier.
Exactly.
I was worried this conversation might be uncomfortable.
I understand, but you handled it very well.
Thank you. I tried to be respectful.
And I appreciate that.
I'm glad we could talk like this.
Me too.
I hope we can continue being good neighbors.
Absolutely.
Thanks again for your time, Mark.
Anytime, Linda.
Have a nice evening.
You too. Good night.